Very good morning, cadets. We have completed chapter number 4, electoral politics. And electoral politics, this chapter consider for the monthly test. As you know, this monthly test pattern is MCQ type pattern according to the new CBSE guidelines. So write down the question and answers related to the chapter. Prepare well for the examination. I'm recording this video because there was a power failure in the morning in the school, so that's the reason I could not record the WebEx live class. Question number 1. Which of the following sentiment about the reason for conducting elections are false? Elections enable people to judge the performance of the government. People select representatives of their choice in an election. Election enable people to evaluate the performance of judiciary. People can indicate which policies they prefer. So answer is election enable people to evaluate the performance of the judiciary. That is nowhere related to the elections, because elections are purely conducted to form the government, so we cannot evaluate the function of judiciary because of election. Question number 2. Which of these is not a good reason to say that Indian elections are democratic? India has the largest number of voters in the world. India's election commission is very powerful. In India, everyone above the age of 18 has a right to vote. In India, the losing parties accept the electoral verdict. So which is not a good reason is the same, first one, that India has the largest number of voters. So that is not a reason to, because number of voters doesn't make the country democratic in election process. Hope you are done. Okay, let us move to the third question. Match following. It is necessary to keep voters list update because of some people have moved out away from areas where they voted last. So that is the reason why there's the need to update the voters list. 2. Some constituencies are reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled type so that there is a fair representation of all sections of our society. C. Everyone has one and only one vote so that everyone has an equal opportunity to elect their representatives. D. Party in power is not allowed to use the government vehicles because all candidates must have a fair chance of competing in elections. So that is the answer for match the following. Question number 4. List all the different election related activities mentioned in the chapter and arrange them in a time sequence beginning from the first activity and ending with the last. Some of these activities are given below. Releasing of election manifesto, counting of votes, making of voters list, election campaign, declaration of result, casting of vote, repolling, announcement and filing nomination. So the answer is first, making of voters list; second, announcing the election schedule; third, filing of nomination; fourth, election campaign; fifth, releasing of election manifesto; then casting of votes; then counting of votes; then declaration of election results; then ordering of re-poll. Question number 5. Sureka is an officer in charge of ensuring free and fair elections in assembly constituency in the state. Describe what she should focus on for her each following stages: election campaign, polling day, counting day. Election campaign. During election campaign, the different political parties hold their meetings, take out their rallies, distribute their manifestos, display their posters, and do door-to-door canvassing. Sureka, as an officer in charge, should see that the meetings are held within stipulated time. There is no clash during the election rallies. No parties violating code of conduct for elections, such as wall posting, character assassination of opponents, etc. What is the work of election officer on polling day? On polling day, the voters go to the nearest polling booth to cast their vote. The polling is done in a peaceful atmosphere. No bogus voters cast the vote. There is a police arrangement in every booth. No unsocial element enters any booth. There is no booth capturing or rigging. Ballot boxes or electronic machines reach counting center safely. What is work on counting day? On counting day, the agent, almost every candidate, take their seats inside the counting center. Sureka, as an officer in charge, has to take care of following. There is proper seating arrangements for the agents of different candidates. Proper police arrangement is there to ward off any undue incidents. Counting of votes carried out without any outside interference and full satisfaction of the candidate. Rejoicing should be peaceful and unprovocative. Question number 6. Answer to the question number 6. In case of Hispanics, the need for reservation is somewhat more as number of their members. They need reservation as compared to their population. There is no need of reservation for whites as they already more seats in Hispanic. Question number 7. Can we draw the following conclusions from the information given in this chapter? Give 2 facts to support your position of each. The Election Commission of India does not have enough ideas, the powers to conduct free and fair trial. There is a high level of popular participation in the election in the country. Many reforms are needed to make our election completely free and fair. Answer. It is wrong to say Election Commission of India does not have enough power to conduct free and fair elections, because Election Commission India have enough power to conduct free and fair elections in the country. The Election Commission of India is an independent, powerful body. Firstly, the Election Commission of India is appointed by the President or the Government of India. He cannot be removed from the power. Second, he can order the Election Commission. The government follows certain guidelines. Third, if he feels that elections have been conducted fairly, he can order for re-polling in certain booths, even in entire constituency. Fourth, during election duty, the other government servants work under control of Election Commission. In fact, there is a high level of popular participation in election in our country during the last 50 years or so. Voters turnout in North America and Europe declined, while in India it is either remained stable or increased. It has been found that in our country, the poor and illiterate, underprivileged people vote in a larger proportion compared to the rich and privileged class. It is quite a wrong notion that party is in power can win an election quite easily in India. If such thing would have been true, the Congress stalwart like Indira Gandhi and Prime Minister of India would have been defeated Raj Narayan, an ordinary politician. So there is many occasions the ruling party also lost elections in India. There is no system as such where cannot be reforms required. Question number 8. Chinnappa was convicted for torturing his wife for dowry. Had guilty of practicing untouchability. The court did not allow either of them to contest for election. In both the cases, Chinnappa or Sadbir, the court has done the right thing by not allowing either them to contest for election. This decision does not against the principle of democratic election. The convicted and the guilty person should not be allowed to contest election, otherwise they would criminalize the whole election process, and that jeopardize the high principles of democracy. Question number 9. Please go through the questions. Number 9. Have we gone through? Let us check the answer. The officer in charge during the election should have been impartial and should have ordered repoll. For voting there should be electronic machines so that no fraud could be done in counting. In the event of non-availability of electronic voting machine, the vote should be counted in presence of representatives of different candidates. Nigeria can learn lesson from India. Such a thing of quite wrong against free and fair elections. Firstly, the voter should never threaten to cast their vote against their conscience. Secondly, if any pamphlet was distributed, it should have been done at least 48 hours. In India, one and uniform rules are for all. Different rules for different authorities and different procedures of counting lead to ambiguity and vagueness and take away the sense of justice, which is one of the main principles of democracy. US can take some good points and lessons from India, how to follow same rules, procedures, etc. in all states across the country. Question number 10. Go to the question number 10. By doing so, ministers erred in two counts. Firstly, they should have made this promise when the announcement of elections is already made. Secondly, by promising financial aid, he is trying to bribe the voters by using financial tricks. He is trying to take advantage of his party being in power. The mill should not be opened and it should be left for the winning party to decide after elections. In order to remove the allegations of opposition party, the best solution is that Doordarshan and All India Radio must be made autonomous body so that government could not influence on them or in its favor. Equal time should be given to all party candidates to present their views. Question number 10 continue. Question number 11. Question number 11 answer. Okay, this is the answer to the question number 11. Please write down. Thank you. Please write down question and answers. Thank you.